You can get the 3D head model and the brushes I use in the description below. Okay, first I draw the oval head shape reference to the Riley head, and then I draw the planes of the head reference to the warrior's head. The planes are important for shading. You can simplify planes later after you have mastered them, but for now, draw all the planes for memorizing later. Okay, now draw the nose. The nose has top plane, bottom plane, and side planes. The shadow of the nose will be changed according to light direction. Now, draw the chin and the jaw. Now draw the forehead and the hairline. Now draw the ears and draw the lip. In general, the lip has two planes. Upper lip is dark and lower lip is light. Now draw the mouth plane and chin plane. Now draw the cheekbones. The cheekbones are also important for shading. Shadow changes will occur with each plane changes. Draw the jaw plane. And now draw the glute. You can add shadow of the glute with some interesting shape like this. Now reduce the opacity of planes layer and let's draw line art. While drawing line art, remember, take line for dark area and then line for light area. One line done, and draw the other side. You can draw over planes of the head with necessary line. Now draw the tip of the nose. The base of the nose will be done by shading later. Okay, now draw the lip. The lip has three lines. Middle line and lower line has darker line and upper line is light line. Now draw the jaw and the chin, and draw the forehead and the hairline. Now draw the ears and draw the glute. Okay, now darken the background and add base color to face, hair, eye, and the glute. After that, shading with a brick brush. First, explore the reference and draw wall first hero. Light is coming from the top center, so the shadows will be casted almost equally on both sides. Draw the shading along the direction of the planes of the head. Increase the brush size, draw confident stroke along the planes, and then erase unnecessary area. This produces hard edge of the shadow. If you need soft edge, smudge the area with the same brush. Darken the eye and smudge the side planes of the nose. Now draw the second shadow with the same brush. You can draw portrait with minimal shadow later when you understand the shading along the planes of the head. You can exaggerate the drop shadow of the nose. Now darken the upper lip and darken the middle line of the lip, and then bottom of the lip. I don't draw the head of the mustache one by one. I draw the oval shape of the mustache with each stroke along the planes of the head. Add shadow to eyes, forehead, and ears. Check the reference where you should add shadow to ears are. Now draw the other ears. After that, smudge the forehead area to get smooth edge. Then add shadow to bottom of the nose and bottom of the chin and second shadow done. Now draw light and highlight area. You should change the brush size frequently according to your need. The large brush size for forehead, a small brush size for eyebrow, cheekbone, nose, and other areas. Draw one confident stroke along the planes of the head and then erase unnecessary area. Now add some highlight to eyebrow, tip of the lip, bottom lip, at the side of the jaw, chin, and corner of the eye, and tip of the ear. Okay, now remove the sketch line planes and add some highlight to the cloth and the hair. It's done. Bye bye.